going on YouTube? Corey the Random Guy here. Letting you guys know we are at yet another car show. Go ahead and give you guys a walkthrough of what I see. Something that just came in, I didn't catch it, but it's really loud. If you guys remember Mike Murphy on the very first car show I've ever been, this is his wife's car. This is a 1962. Looks like it's a Bel Air. 1962 Bel Air. Has the original 6 in it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed all the cars that's here. I'm going to try to do a couple interviews with people and their vehicles. And this is actually called Old Settlers. So I know I screwed up in the first part, but I'll go ahead and edit it. Anyway, we'll be back. I want to see if I can interview a couple people. Alright guys, we're back. Have somebody here to interview. He's actually got a really nice looking military vehicle here. What's your name?
I'm Colton Oser.
Colton Oser? Lachlan, tell us what you got here.
So right here I have a 1953 Dodge M37.
1953 Dodge M37. You know, funny thing is, I seen him pulling in. He had to do like an 87-point turn. It was pretty funny. This thing has no power steering, but it's super cool. Super cool. But how long have you had it?
I've had this truck for about two and a half years.
Two and a half years? Awesome.
Yeah, it actually started out with basically no paint, no fuel, no brakes, and I actually took it all the way apart to the frame and rebuilt it in about the span of a year.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I don't imagine these things would be very hard to take apart.
No, as long as you got a 9/16 wrench and you can have the whole thing on the floor.
There you go. Yeah, exactly. They don't build stuff like they used to.
Yeah.
So, but hey, man, yeah, it was really nice talking to you. Like I said, I'm still new to this whole YouTube thing, and you're new to the whole interview thing, so it's all good.
This is actually the first show I've had it in.
Nice. That's a pretty cool looking thing, man. Are you familiar with Indianola at all?
Yeah.
On the 26th, they are having a car show, you know where Walmart is? That True Bank right across the street on the 26th. I think it's from like 4 to 7. Come on out and bring this thing out here.
Alright, yeah, I'll see.
I'll be there. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a pretty nice looking vehicle here. It's awesome. But anyway, guys, check out my YouTube channel. This is awesome. And for you, my YouTube channel is Corey Random Guy.
Alright.
So if you look it up, it'll have a picture of a wolf. So, alright guys, this is it for this one. We're just going to finish up here and we're going to get going to the next one. See you guys later. How's it going, guys? Here it is the next day. I did not make an ending for the video that I'm making right now, so I'm gonna make it right now. A couple of things took place during the ending, after the interview. This car, in fact, actually won a plaque from the car show. It actually won 3rd place in its class, which is amazing to me. Here, I'll show you guys. Check it out. 3rd place in its class. I don't think it could get any better than that. And I haven't really done much to it, which is pretty cool. But you know, I guess there's a lot of people out there that really like the old cop cars, which is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did a lot of editing this morning, and I'm going to put this at the end of it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You guys go ahead, spread the word. You're going to be seeing this car a little bit more. We have 2 more car shows to go to in the next couple weeks, so look forward to seeing that. Catch you guys on the flip side.